Now this is my loving husband.
Make sure.
And we have enjoyed our breakfast. It was very nice. And that also the
She's strangling me right now. See?
trying to get.
Only she's fitting in that video.
And that game zone, we've gone to game zone and it was so fun. And it was unlimited. You can play as much as you want and it's free of cost. So that was amazing. We had a good time, so maybe later by today we'll go back. I want to practice driving the car. Because many times I've crashed. It's us again. We are going to the swimming pool. Hi Isabella.
Hi.
What a poser is that?
Took wrong slippers.
What happened to that?
Come, let's sit here. Wait for your father. See guys, from outside, opposite from this hotel, see, as you can see, it's a mountain. It's so bright. See, it's a mountain. It's a mountain. See guys, and my back, it is. Let me see. See, as you can see, it's a mountain at the back. So it's completely empty. No, it's in the across, opposite from this building is just all mountains. Nothing is there. So we are in nowhere actually. This hotel is located in nowhere. This is my small family. Crazy one. See, look at how we're. Oh, go there. Oh, see. Which pool we're going? Slowly. Yes. Sunny. Nice weather. It's not so hot actually. It's just perfect. We're going to the swimming pool. Later we'll go to the beach later. So this is the beach. We'll go later. Isabella wanted to go first in the pool. Isabella. Actually, they have two pools. They have two swimming pools. The other one is we've gone yesterday. Later we'll go again. But I like that place also. It was nice. The water is warm. Even if it's cold in the late afternoon, but the water is warm. And this is beautiful here. So nice. It is worth it. What we have paid for here, it's really worth it. father and daughter. See? For the kids. And farther down, that was the adult pool, which is prohibited for the kids to go there. So it's not even allowed to step in that area. They already informed us before we check in. They told us not to allow to go to that place. It's deep, no, it's for the adults. So since my husband and my daughter doesn't know how to swim, so I cannot go there also. I know how to swim.
Yeah, and we trust her that
I know how to swim, guys. Only me, I know how to swim.
and we trust her that if ever we will need, she will save us. But now I truly doubt it.
Guys, I can swim.
Really?
Yeah.
With
Sure,
your float.
sure.
Wait, let me put my float.
No, go without
With
the
the
float.
float.
This is not deep. It's not deep, Isabella.
Fine.
Go.
So it's nice place. Ta-da! Nice
Has
place.
a kids pool area.
Yes, and an adult pool.
This pool is only for adults.
Yes, those are for adult farther down. It's there just. It's nice.
What is this? Go it over there nicely.
Go in the water. Oh, it's cold, this water, Bo. Oh my god. I don't do that. So it's quite cold, the water, not compared to the other one, the warm swimming pool. There are two types of swimming pool. The other one is warm, which is they have intended to make it warm. And there is a natural water. And this is the natural swimming pool. Excuse me. So here comes. They have a steps here where I could walk through.
Mama, it's not cold.
Yes, I know.
I want cold for you.
Yes, I'm feeling cold. So, see, look at this water here. It's so fun for the kids. And this is how it is. Beautiful. This is cold water. I'm feeling shivering. Isabella is there enjoying, and Ronald is talking to his mom. And that's where we have our chair. Isabella! Beautiful place. Diba Blue. So these are the hotels. It's a long hotel. Some are one bedroom, like hotel apartment. But the place that we stay in that area. Beautiful place. And we are in the see, that is the mountain. So we are actually in nowhere. So if you could come out in a highway, there's nothing there. You cannot able to see a small supermarket or a small food, fast food, nothing. So this is completely nowhere. It's in the middle of nowhere. As you can see, up to at the end. See, it's very... My husband is there. So up to at the end. That is our area at the end. It's just a walking distance. It's just hardly 5 minutes walk. So that's all for today, guys. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And please click that notification bell so you will notify every time we have a new upload. Like this one. We'll see you to our next one. Bye!